Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a quick camera zoom test on the Xiaomi 14T Pro. I'm gonna show you the maximum zoom as well as gonna show you, based on this small piece of paper, how is the quality of the zoom. So let's start out by using the ×2 zoom. Nothing unusual over here, the quality is still pretty good. Of course, in addition to that, we also have different Leica styles. We have the authentic one and vibrant. And I don't think there is any big difference between these two, except for the fact that I think the vibrant is a little bit brighter. Alright, so let's move on. We have another preset which is ×2.6, and the quality is still pretty good. Even if I zoom in to the piece of paper, it is still pretty readable, although it seems to be hard to focus on a small object. As you can see, the focus goes away pretty much, so you need to keep the distance. However, this is not really that important. I think the quality, based off what I see, is still pretty good of this zoom. So now we're gonna jump straight into ×5, and the quality still doesn't drop that much. I don't think it is that noticeable. Maybe someone with pretty good eyes can spot the difference of the quality. Maybe it is just slightly worse, but not for me. I would say it is still pretty good, and the focus seems to be working not bad over here. I've got the focus, so surprisingly it works even better than before. So as you can see, if I use ×2 and I jump to ×5, it is actually easier to gain the focus on ×5. So weird, but this is how it works. Alright, so now let's exceed this ×5. Now we're gonna go to ×10. The text is still readable. The quality is pretty good. We can see the dirty, let's say, details of the piece of paper. And if I move the camera away, it's still pretty good. Of course, the quality of the photo got a little bit worse. This is now noticeable, but it's still overall pretty great, I would say. So let's keep zooming in. We have now ×15. The camera lenses, we still use the same camera lens, as we didn't jump. The camera position didn't change really. So let's keep going, and I suppose at ×20 it will just move. So this is 19.9, still pretty great. Of course, the quality is a bit worse. That is not surprising at all. This is just default. This is how it works with the zooms. So let's jump to ×20, and yeah, there we go. So now we are switching to a different camera. It is now unreadable. We are using completely different lenses. Over here we can see in the top right corner the area that is actually that the camera tries to cover. But just to test the maximum quality, it is ×30. So ×30 is the maximum amount, and I would say that the zoom works pretty good if we stick to, let's say, ×5. Maybe if you try to exceed, it's not too bad, but for those who have captured a lot of photos in their lives, they will probably notice some differences and drop in the quality. But overall, I would say the quality is pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.